Okay, now we're going to mount the Y-axis drive rod motor. So we're going to need the motor. The specs will appear here. That's the specifications that we're using on the stepper motor. We're going to use 4 M3 bolts, approximately 8mm long in thread, and the 22 drive pulley, along with a 32 tooth drive pulley on here. Okay, so we're going to assemble all this. I'm going to come around there with the hope that you'll get a better shot of what I'm doing and how I'm fixing that together. Tooth pulley on that way, put the belt on, and then pull that off. I may have done up a couple of them bolts too tight to pull it. Slacken them slightly. Use a screwdriver just to get some leverage on it. Okay, so that's the belt attached. So I'll just level the belt up. And that's the belt, nice detention, and when the stepper motor turns now, that's all joined up, so the Y-axis will all turn together.